So welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick reveal, unboxing, unbagging of a Coach outlet item. Did they dupe Louis Vuitton? It looked like it in the store, so that's why we picked it up. If you want to know more, stick around. Dolly's just excited. She's like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. The things that are going on in here in this video. I went up to the Coach outlet with my friend on 4th of July weekend, and we did some shopping, did a little too much shopping. And I picked up a Coach item, one in particular that kind of reminded me of a certain Louis Vuitton item and how folks were taking that Louis Vuitton item and making it into something else. So I picked it up. Might return it, not sure. I have a feeling it's going to be way too small for my needs, but she picked it up as well in a light blue color, and I got the black version of it, which you will see, because everything is black in my bag collection. And it was a good price point. They just seemed like really good buys. We'll see after we unbag it, unbox it, all those things. If you're new to my channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, favorite fragrance, skincare, makeup, all the things that make you feel a little bit better about yourself because you deserve it. You do. If you like that kind of content, consider subscribing. I do usually every week some type of reveal, review, talk about a bag or fragrance or something that we splurge on. And then on the weekends, what I have been doing the last few weeks is a Saturday reset where I swap out of the bag or items that I'm using for the week. I change my nail color up. I pick out a fragrance tray for the week, all sorts of random stuff. So if you like kind of chit-chatty random vlogs like that, check out that Saturday reset. I'm on at least week, I think 14 or 15 at this point, and I'm going to keep going as long as I can. We'll see. I mean, it's kind of a accountability endeavor, but it's been fun so far. So anyway, check it out. So what we are here for the Coach outlet item that we picked up. And again, this reminded me of a particular item from Louis Vuitton that, and I'll put it up on the screen, that a lot of folks were a couple years ago taking inserts and making them into crossbody bags or, evening bag, what other kind of, method of repurposing the toiletry bags. And when I saw this one, I was like, this looks a lot like the toiletry bag. And it just, I don't know, I thought it just made an interesting kind of quick on the go weekend bag, possibly an evening bag. I liked the color combination on it. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like $80. And then I can't remember if that was with discount or before, but it was under $100. That's all I remember. We don't have tax here in Oregon, so we don't have to worry about that. But picked it up, went ahead and decided to bring it home. And I haven't pulled it out yet to test it with my items. And right now, my go-to kind of, if I'm keeping it or not, is my cell phone. So I decided to film on a different phone today, and I'm going to test and see if this will fit in it. If this fits in it, I'm keeping it. If it doesn't, it's going back. So that's ultimately where we're going to have the decision made. But I wanted to share it because it's kind of a cute take on the item, and I thought it was a really reasonable price point. I liked the embossing. Yeah, so we'll get into it. So basically, I want to talk about really quick the packaging at the outlet. I don't shop there as much as I used to. I used to be a really avid outlet shopper, but our outlet doesn't really get any reserve items or any boutique items. I've noticed that, or when they do, they sell immediately, but I don't even see a section for it. So when I used to shop there, there was always this section at the very back of the store, a little corner that was the clearance section, and it was where all the returns came from the main boutiques or the main department stores, and it was where you get the good stuff, the really nice high-end stuff. So I'd always beeline for that first and then check out that made for outlet pieces. So mine up here in Woodburn, Oregon seems to be primarily made for outlet, and it's very much even men and women's, a very good selection of shoes, but not anything that I could see that is boutique or regular Coach items. So that's a little bit disappointing. And then the other thing that I've noticed is the gift box and packaging has really gone by the wayside. So they give you this kind of all-in-one cardboard box, which basically looks like a pizza box, and I had to pay for this. Didn't have to pay for it before. I used to get, you know, not this bad, but, you know, pretty flimsy boxes, but they give you the tissue paper, they give you ribbon. It was the whole 9 yards to, you know, wrap yourself up a pretty nice present. Even though it was at the outlet, you got a decent thing. So I had to pay for this box, and I had to pay for the dust bag. $10. And I was like, wow. I mean, it's really nice. Don't get me wrong. That it's worth the price because I can reuse it on something else. But I was like, you know, we used to get the dust bags with the item free. We used to get the box free. You know, what happened? I don't mind paying for a gift box when it's, you know, a good, but this is literally just heavy cardstock at that, if that. So that was rather non-luxurious, let's just say that. So I picked up this item right here, and it's a one kind of size fits all dust bag. There really wasn't any other option. So this one is not as big as the item inside is not as big as the dust bag, which is why I was like, okay, I'll pay for it and I'll use it for other items. But we may be returning this item. But here is the item, and I'll get the official name. I did not catch it. It might be on the tag inside here, and if I come across it, I will pull it out. But basically, it's about the equivalent of the Toiletry 19 from Louis Vuitton. I like the croc and boss. It looks a little bit shiny and patent, but I just thought it was decent. The structure of it was nice. The glazing looked good on it. It has silver hardware, the little Coach right here. I thought it was going to make a good just travel bag. Looking at it right now, I think we won't have a problem because on the exterior, but we do have quite a bit of kind of gap right here. So we'll see when we get in there and check it out. Let me get a measuring tape and see. And I actually have my lippy there too. So let's see how many centimeters it is. It's just about 20 centimeters across, and then 14.5 up and down, 4 wide. Let's do inches. So we've got 5.5 tall, just under 8 wide, and then about 1.5 inches. Yeah, 1.5 inches at the widest point at the bottom here. So very small, but I thought it would pack a punch. Oh, it's packed. Let's pull out all of this stuff. Oh, it has a chain, which I probably should have removed the tape. Let me see if I can find the tag. It just says Croc Slim CB, so crossbody, made in the Philippines. Claims to be a $298 value. Your mileage may vary on that, but you know, hey, to each their own. There is a cardboard insert to give it some more structure. I'm going to see. I don't want to take out all of the packaging because in case I return it, I want to give it back with most of its integrity in there. But there are a couple of card slots on the back. There are room for 2 credit cards, and then on the other side, no other storage or pockets. There is a little bit of a funny smell. I hope that's just the paper. I hope that's just the paper. And then we'll unravel that slightly. It is a silver chain. And knowing that I might return it, I'm kind of hesitant to take it all apart, but that is the chain, which I believe they sell this chain separately for about 30 bucks. When I was at the counter, I saw a bunch of accessories, and I swear I saw a gold tone version and like a black version, and it was about $30 pre-discount. So I'm pretty sure you can get the chain separately and swap that out. But silver hardware all around. Let's put my phone in and see if that goes in. It goes in. Okay. All right. She's staying. Okay, the wrapping is removed. There's the chain link. I still think this chain link needs to be, for me, my comfort, another inch or so longer. And I have a ton of chains. I've got like 4 different color chains and different sizes of the links. So I have no problem swapping this out. Oh my gosh, I have a black LV strap with silver hardware that is patent, and oh my god, I gotta dig that out. It would go perfect with this. Oh my, that will probably be what I do, is put that. I love it when I have something that just kind of like, oh, that will work out. So I think that would make it a little bit more casual with the patent strap. I know that the patent's a little bit, or patent, whatever you want to call it, is a little bit more dressy, but I think the leather is a little bit more casual for me, and the chain's a little bit more dressy. And of course you can take the chain off and just have it be a clutch. And then of course it can just be an SLG in your purse too. So I just thought it was a really good multi-purpose piece. It has your little hang tag over here on the side. Fit my phone just great on the inside. There'll be the card slots. I'll grab a lippy. Yeah, you can get quite a bit of stuff in here. Could probably carry a small card case. Yeah, this will be fine. And maybe even a fragrance in there. So this would be a really good night out kind of bag. Let's see about if you can see my, so it hits low hip, right at the hip, right there. And then crossbody. Okay, well, no, it's not that bad. It's right at my waist, which I'm not, I prefer to be a little bit lower than that because of how it's like circling the boob right there. But it's not bad. So the chain that comes with it is going to work just fine. Okay. I am pleasantly pleased with that. So if you're interested, I know it comes in smooth as well. I believe in a white and a brown. I'm not sure if there's other croc embossed other than that blue one that was on clearance that my girlfriend picked up. But there might be ones online, and if there are, I'll put that all up for you. I'm going to change into them because it's Stefan's birthday. By the time you're watching this, it's past his birthday, but I'm taking him out for dinner tonight and celebrating. Of course, how do you celebrate your husband's birthday? Buy yourself a bag. Again, no, it's we bought this several weeks ago. So like I said, it's been a couple weeks. He got a bunch of other things. So he's just fine, but we're going to go out and have fun. The kids are going to stay home and guard the house and be good dogs. Pickles is right here sleeping. If you have any comments, questions, want to see it styled with something else, let me know. I'll show you on the weekend vlog. I think I'm gonna, possibly use this more as the SLG, but it's gonna be a pretty good grab and go weekend or night out kind of bag. So I like that. That was a good a good deal. And then I'm going to dig up that other strap and see how it looks. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Dolly, you're really excited. Oh my goodness. It's going to be the best video ever. Yes, it will be. It'll be the best video ever. Right, mamas? We'll see. We'll see about that. Okay, I feel like I need to film the clickbaity thumbnail. So let's do my usual. And let's do the one that everyone does. Let's see, let's try a different one. Let's try just the box.